Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest tech gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of photography with a focus on the Sony Alpha 7 IV full-frame mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. If you're passionate about portrait photography and demand nothing but the best, then you're in for a treat. The Sony Alpha 7 IV stands out as the pinnacle of excellence in the realm of full-frame cameras. Let's kick things off by talking about the stunning 33 megapixels full-frame XMOR back illuminated CMOS sensor. This powerhouse of a sensor delivers breathtaking image quality, with exceptional detail and clarity, making every portrait come to life with unparalleled realism. But the magic doesn't stop there. The next generation BIONZ XR image processing engine elevates your photography experience to new heights. With up to 8 times more processing power, you can capture every nuance and expression with precision and accuracy. And let's not forget about its video capabilities. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is a true multimedia powerhouse, capable of recording up to 4K 60p video with 10-bit 4:2:2 color depth. Whether you're a professional videographer or an aspiring content creator, this camera has you covered. One of the standout features of the Alpha 7 IV is its advanced autofocus system. With real-time IAF for humans, animals, and birds, you can rest assured that your subjects will always be in sharp focus, no matter how fast-paced the shoot. Now, let's talk about design. The Sony Alpha 7 IV boasts a sleek and ergonomic design that feels comfortable in the hand, allowing you to focus on your craft without any distractions. Plus, with its weather-sealed construction, you can shoot with confidence in any environment. In conclusion, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is not just a camera. It's a tool that empowers you to unleash your creativity and capture moments that will last a lifetime. If you're serious about portrait photography, then look no further. This is the best full-frame camera money can buy. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy shooting!